Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku puzzle of today, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. Let's start with a 4. I see 4 fours. So this 4 in the first column, the second 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then let me see, a 6, yes, a 6. In this big square, we have a 6 here, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 there, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 6 in one of those boxes. In the second row, we have a 6 over here. So in the third row, the only 2 places for a 6 is here or there. But we have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then yes, let me see the 9. I see in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. I see here 9. No 9 is in these 2 boxes. I see there 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be this one. 9 in this column. 9 in the last column. So in the column between. The only 2 places for 9 is here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for 9 is here and there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Then, yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. I see here 9. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be in this box or in that box. So in this row, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle row, we have a 9 over there. So in this row, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. Yes. We go to other digit. The number 2, digit 2, 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the only place for the 2 in the middle column is here. And now I can fill the 9 because one of those 3 numbers must be a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. Here 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for 9 is here, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then a 3 in this row, a 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 8, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then can I do something with the 7? Yes, we have here 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. I see there 7, so no 7 in this box. Only place for the 7 should be here. Then the 2, the 3 and 9, the 7, the 1, 8, 5. 6 and 7. Right, 7. Let me think. Yes. Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so in the column in between. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 2 and 5. The 2 and 5 are missing. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 3 and yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 3, 6, and 4. 3, 6, and 4? No. 4 we have. 3, 6, and 5. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 6 should be there. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Remember that. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and 5. That means in the last column, these 3 numbers are the numbers 2, 8, and 7. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. 2, 7, and 8. No 2 in these 2 boxes because we have a 2 there, so 2 should be here. 7 and 8. 7 and 8 as a pair. I cannot fill this yet. 7 and 8 need to wait. That means these 2 numbers are the numbers of this big square. 7 and 8. These should be 5 and 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in this row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 8. Then 6. Can I do something with these 6, 1, 1 and 7. Yes, in this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 6 and 7. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. 7 and 1. 7 and 1. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Yes, 6 in the last row, 6 in this row. So the row above, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there. But we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. In this column, the 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Yes, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for 8 is here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 5 and 6. Do we have 6? Yes. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 5 and 6 in this big square. 2, 5 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6, should be this one. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then 7, 8. Here we have the numbers 8 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. The 8 and the 5. No, not 8 and 5. 8 and the 3. The 3. I must do something with the 3. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 is here. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 now over there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 3 is here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 missing number in this first column for the number 2, I believe. Yes, 2 is missing. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 1. 1 missing number in this row for the number 1. 2 missing numbers in this column for the number 7 and 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then Let me see, one missing number in the second column for the number 7. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One missing number in this second row for the number 4. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One missing number in this column for the number 7. One missing number in this big square for the number 8. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, people, if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe or download the PDF file if you like or if you want to solve it by yourself or make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching again, and I will see you in a few minutes with the final Sudoku of today, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. Thank you and bye bye.